Here I've got Apple iPhone SE from 2020, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select General, go to Reset and select Reset All Settings, which is the first possibility. And if you truly want to reset all the settings, but no media or data will be deleted, just click on Reset All Settings. And now you have to confirm it again, so if you are sure that you want to perform this operation, just tap on Reset All Settings. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done, and now you can set everything from scratch. So let me start with changing the brightness, and then you can change the wallpaper and just set up your phone as a new one, like from scratch. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.